here, guys. The footprints of Jesus here in the Chapel of Assumption, or Jesus standing before ascending back to heaven. Amazing, guys. This is really incredibly beautiful. This is the highest peak of the Mount of Olives. This is the bedrock. Unbelievable. Oh Jesus, as we can commemorate during the time of our Lord Jesus in this place, for ascending to heaven, said to the disciples, go and preach the gospel to all nations. God bless, guys. God bless, and God amazing, lovely places. Oh Jesus. This is amazing, guys. Amazing, guys. Shalom, shalom, everyone. Welcome to Mount of Olives. Oh, this amazing place. This is lovely. Oh, guys, this is the footprints of Jesus here in the land of promise, here in the top of the Mount of Olives, here in the Chapel of Assumption, where Jesus ascending back to heaven. Unbelievable. This place is really awesome, beautiful and lovely. Amazing place. This is really incredibly wonderful and beautiful. Unbelievable. The beautiful, the promised land, guys. Oh Jesus, Jesus.